Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I feel like really I don't know, like really bubbly and like girly. So today's video is going to be the I try to do this person's makeup look, and this is the video that I'm going to be doing today. So it took me a while to get to this because I ordered Itsmyrayeraye palette like last week or a few weeks ago. No, like yeah, it was a few weeks, 2 weeks ago, and then it came in like last week. So it took me a while to just, you know, to film this, so I'm finally doing it today. This look was a fail. Okay, let me just tell you guys that right now. This is not what I was trying to go for. This is not what I wanted. This was definitely not what I was expecting, but this is what I achieved. And you know what? We still did it. We still made the look happen. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking now. We're just gonna get right into the video. So this is how my face is looking right now. It's like a nice, fresh, clean slate. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video.
Hey guys, I'm back with a new video.
Ooh, girl. She looks so cute. Hold up. Ray, like, oh yeah, so all the products that she's probably going to be using, I probably don't have it. Like that Estee Lauder foundation, I don't have that. I'm just going to switch it out and use what I have because your girl, we all got the same type of makeup, so we're going to switch it out. I don't know if I'm going to do as good as she did, but I'm going to attempt. Did she prime her skin? What? I noticed that she did prime her skin, which is a little bit weird because I literally have to prime all the time before I put on my foundation. So it's a good thing that I put on moisturizer because I'm not going to prime my skin because she didn't do that, because we're trying to follow exactly what she's doing for this tutorial. So we're just going to continue. It's going so fast. Hold on. Her skin is so clear. Oh my lord. Hold on. Why are you running? Where are you going to? I have to pause it for a second. So I think that looks pretty good. So let's see what she's doing now. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro concealers, and I'm also gonna use, I think I'm gonna use my my drugstore Super Stay Better Skin foundation. Hold on, girl, where are you? She's like going so quick. I don't know how to do this. Hold on. I'm confused. What am I doing? What do I want to do? Hold on. Let's go back.
Now I'm gonna move on to using one of my brand new favorite concealers. Like this is,
and she just literally puts it under her eyes and like around her mouth, because I have bad hyperpigmentation there too, so that's good that she's doing that. I look so crazy right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out with my little cosmetic wedge. And you guys know that I use these things instead of like beauty blenders just because like I feel like they literally work the same. So I'm just gonna like try to speed this up. I feel like watching this makes me like do my makeup faster, so maybe I should watch more makeup tutorials while I do my makeup. It's so crazy how I've been watching Itsmyrayeraye for like, I don't know, 4 years, maybe longer than that. Like I remember watching her and her best friend, like they made a video together. I think it was like the best friend tag or something like that. And ever since that, I got hooked on this girl. That sounds really weird, but like you guys know what I mean. Like I love her videos so much. I'm done putting the first layer of concealer, and I think she's gonna go in with another form of concealer. Oh, she's going brighter. She said she's gonna make her concealer a little bit brighter, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. This is harder than I actually thought, because when I saw these type of videos, they just looked kind of like they were just going quick and it was fast and easy. So I have that layer done, and I literally look like a fetus. I don't know why. I feel like I look like a baby. I have such a baby face sometimes. Let's see what she's doing now. She's going in with the Patrick Star setting powder, and I don't have that. Instead, we're going to use the Maybelline setting powder. That is interesting that she's doing that little thing with her nose. I've never seen that before. We're going to try that today. I don't see the need of putting that much powder under the eye. Like, why do I have that powder under my eye? And you know what? We actually have to add more. So, can someone explain to me why do we need that much powder under the eye? I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. I've never done this before. This is actually like kind of interesting. Oh, hold on, Ray. Hold on. Gotta put it on the nose. Let's go back a little bit. Oh, she's like, hold on. I don't have a bridge, so I have to. Hold on, girl. So she's doing that with her think this is not good. Am I doing something? Is this a look? Is this happening, or am I making some stuff up right now? You know what? We're just gonna move on from that. Moving on to the eyebrows. Okay, let's do that. Let's move on to the brows. I'm just so used to doing my eyebrows at the beginning. Like, I have phases where I do my eyebrows at the end. And there's times where it's just like, I do it at the beginning. And I've been doing it at the beginning lately, so this is kind of hard. So I don't think she's gonna conceal after, and I don't know how I feel about that. I'm using a setting gel, and I don't have that too, so. Her eyebrows look so bomb. How does she do that? How does she do that? Hold on. She does not conceal her eyebrows. She doesn't conceal her eyebrows. Are you serious? This is how I'm gonna look today? What is this? I didn't think she was gonna do that. Like, should I cheat and like fill them in with concealer? Or not fill them in, like sculpt them with concealer? How does her eyebrows turn out so good and she still hasn't like concealed them? That's what I want to know. This is how they turn out. Okay, we're just gonna move on. My favorite part too. Guys, can you believe this is only $22? I think it's like $25 in total for like shipping, or is it $22 including shipping? One of those. Like, it's very affordable. Very affordable, and look at the colors. Can we just take a minute? I have not swatched any of them or anything, but I did use this highlighter right here a few days ago. So I didn't get her brushes, but I'm just gonna use my own brushes. Is this oh, I thought that was not recording for a second. I was about to lose it. But I'm gonna go in with Brownie Bite, this color right here, and I'm just gonna use that as a contour. So hopefully this like works. And ooh, it's actually dark enough. Whoa, I'm shook. Hold on, let me do this. How is it this dark? Oh my god, this is so easy. Like, powder contour is so much easier than like cream contour. Now she's gonna wipe away the setting powder. She's going so fast, and she just like swooped it. Oh, that's not working for me. Maybe it's because the brush, I don't know. How come for her she like just swooped it right out? This is like not trying to come off. This is so fast. Way too fast for me. I look ashy. I look really dusty. So I don't know about this. I think I'm gonna have to like redo my makeup, guys. Sorry that my eyebrows look like this. If this is bothering you, don't worry. It's bothering me too. Blush is not a thing for me, but I found this like pink blush that I have, so this is way too pink, but we're gonna try it. So I'm going to be using Brownie Bite again to contour. She used Mocha because obviously she's lighter complexion, but wow, Chagi, what? That's harsh. I just kind of did that. So she went in with Allison and used that as a highlighter. Oh. Oh. Let's not. Oh my. So this highlighter looks really nice, but I put way too much on, but I'm not tripping. It looks good. Like, it really does look good. And she like put a little bit on her nose, so okay, that's not a little bit. I think she put like a little line up here too, so that's what we're gonna do. Now my face looks golden, so we're not gonna add any more highlighter. Instead, we're gonna move on to the eyes. Okay, so she used this right here. She used that color, so that's what I'm gonna do. I put that as a base. Okay, so she put Control Freak at the crease. This looks brown on me. This looks just brown. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Fairy Tale and put it like right there. Oh, wow. Wow, this is pretty. This is really pretty. I'm actually in love with this. Hold on. This is so pretty. I love this. Tiffany, hold on. Let's pause that for a second before we move to Tiffany. Rub it around the lids, she said. Now we're going in with Tiffany. I'm in love with this. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this is a look. This is a look right here.
On my lower lash line. So first I applied mousse on the lower lash line and then Control Freak. And now I'm taking Allison again and put it in the inner corner, as well as Moonlight, just to brighten up my tear duct. And now my favorite part,
I need to get a different brush. Like, I look like I don't sleep for days. Okay, no. You know, like, it's not bad, but it's not for me. I don't think this look is for me. It's different. She goes in with Allison again and Moonlight, and then she puts that in the inner corner of her eyes. Guys, I don't know how bright my eyes are gonna be by the end of this. They're bright. They're really bright. This is like not what I'm used to at all. Like, I should have watched the whole thing first because I didn't know where we were gonna do this look. Like, this is not a look I can just wear out. Wow, I look like I'm in like a movie or like a I don't know. With the glitter that she's using, it's like a pink color, and the one I have is from Wet n Wild, and it's not pink, it's like more of a gold color. This glitter is not coming out as good as I thought it would be, so we're just gonna like try to do our best with it. But you guys can see, like, it's not coming out as good. Yeah, it's not working. The glitter is not working as good. So we're gonna move on to lashes, and I'm gonna use my Kiss brand lashes. I'm just gonna do that off camera, then I'll be back in a few seconds. So my eyelashes are on now, but they just have to dry. Like, the glue needs to dry. I'm not really happy with this, the way this is turning out, because like this was something that was supposed to be really good. This palette, like, I was so excited to get this, and I was so excited to try out this look, but I feel like I look like a clown, and I'm actually upset. I just don't want to, like, you know, get really upset because at the end of the day it's just like makeup, you know what I mean? But like, I wanted to take some cute pictures, and now I look like this. So I failed, and I feel bad. I'm sorry. Like, hopefully this video, I don't even want her to see it because this is such a bad, like, impression of her. Like, guys, it's not the palette. The palette's not the problem. I'm the problem. Ugh. Like, I really shouldn't have used this cheap glitter because it took off like the whole eyeshadow, and you know, it's not a look. It's not a look anymore. And then on top of that, these lashes decided to not work with me today. Like, hello, why are we doing that today? Every other day you don't do that. My eyes are watery. Don't cry, Chagi. Do not cry.
Canceling out my lip color so that I can apply mine.
Don't really know what I'm canceling out, but now we're going to take this brown pencil and line the lips just like how she said. And this is definitely not as brown as hers, but it still does the job. This is my Forever Matte lipstick, and I got this from like the beauty supply store. They were like $2, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. This is like a rosy pink color. And then I'm just gonna go skip to the point where she is setting her face.
5 minutes later.
I can do that for days because I just love setting my face. So, what else does she do now? I think this is it.
Relax. But this is the finished look. I hope
That's the finished look. Hold on. Let me go do my hair real quick so then I can come back on. So guys, this is the finished look. My eyes look like extra chinky, and I don't know why. Like, this was supposed to make my eyes brighter. I don't know if it makes my eyes brighter or does it look more chinky. I feel like I look more like that's how I look. So this was kind of a fail. This was not kind of a fail. This was a fail. So we're just gonna end this video now. I'm not gonna do anything else more. I did add a little bit of Carmex to my lip just, you know, for the shine to come through. So yeah, and I just, you know, did my hair. The battery's about to die, so that's a sign that I have to go. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that, and also please turn on the bell notification if you wanna be notified when I upload new videos. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.